on.
Sorry? Yeah, you can save as and then save it onto your locals. Hey, do you see that? Just click on it. And then yes, and then you have the option to open yes, cancel or save as. Let's see that happening again. Okay, save as. So you save as in the local file and save memory, whatever you want.
Alright.
Okay, so very more powerful now, if you like, from email point of view. And then obviously we have our Office Mobile. You can do Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. We have now, this is the old one, but now we have Office 2007 support.
Oh yeah, this
on
I was about to ask you the same thing.
See, these are frequently asked.
FAQs.
The next feature is calendaring. Okay?
Alright.
So when you do the calendaring, the first thing you notice is this strip on top.
Yeah.
This is the quick view strip. It immediately tells you, it's designed to be able to say, hey, when is the next time you are free? Oh, I am free from 9:30 to 12, from 1 to 4:30. Immediately you can see this band, right? And then instead of reading and trying to interpret all of this, and then you can have now you have a weekly view that really works because traditionally you see this weekly view, but you don't know what each of these boxes are. But now when you navigate around, it actually tells you what each of these boxes are. Okay, so that's another one. And then you have yearly view and agenda view. And then now if you open up a meeting request, okay. No, this one. If you originate a meeting request, you can even see who are the attendees that are supposed to come and whether they have accepted or declined the meeting.
Alright.
Whether they're required or optional. So, and from this experience, if you do a new meeting request, a new appointment, you can add in attendees here as well. Attendees. And then you can add optional attendee and required attendee. Okay. And what else? Another thing. You know, sometimes when you leave the office, you're out of office, you want to set your vacation thing on your move message, and you can't do that from a mobile device in Windows Mobile 5. You can't do it. You have to go back to your laptop. But now you can actually go menu, you go to tools, and set it out of office here.
Alright.
On the go.
Alright, and one more thing, out of office, if we are running Exchange Server 2007 at the back end,
yeah.
So I can specify the domain names to whom it should show out of office reply.
Right now, if you do it on the phone, it shows everybody. You cannot control whether it's internal or external.
Alright, so it's a different version of Outlook as compared to the one which I have on my notebook.
Yes. So
the desktop is different and mobile different.
So the desktop Outlook can do this message for internal, that message for external.
Alright.
And in a certain date range. Whereas the mobile is more.
So we hope that we can have this feature here.
Right. Hopefully, it should be. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Another thing is contacts. I think this is like one of the beautiful things about. Let's go to contacts, right? Now, because in Microsoft we are running Exchange. Right? If you run Exchange, this is your global address list. So the contacts here can be synchronized with your global address list. And if you can't find somebody here, although you have a quick, you can type a couple of characters and filter it. If you can't find this person, you can say click on company directory. Okay. And look for somebody. Let's say look for me. Okay?
So it is now doing the search in the backend your Exchange server.
Correct. Is this Exchange server? You cannot find the name, so let me just use Lokwe. Okay? L-O-K-E. Let's look for Lok.
Alright.
It's going to bring back.
Look for Bill Gates.
Couple of thousand Lok.
Can you find Bill Gates?
Oh yeah, I can find Bill Gates.
Or Steve Ballmer.
Let's see. Yeah, let's try Bill Gates. Search. What is querying is going through ActiveSync. There's
no Bill Gates.
Sorry. This is a different. I'm using a different mail server. Sorry, this is a demo mail server, so you can find. But I can show you on my phone later. Look for that. Now let's look for Tally. I think I know this Tally wrong. Do a search. It goes query Exchange servers to bring down the contact for this person. And then you can actually see all the details of that person. Okay.
Alright. These numbers are fake number.
These are all fake numbers.
Very good.
And then we even have.
Otherwise, I need to edit the video files quite difficult.
When Bill Gates come back, that's how to cover the photo. But it shows you all the information, also pictures. And in this case, it doesn't have a picture, but the picture context will appear in the touch, in the ego dialer as well. You know this thing? These are all pictures that are available in Exchange Server.
Okay.
And then now they even have an interesting tool that does a Facebook import to Exchange Server. So all your friends in Facebook with their pictures, they can bring into Exchange Server.
Cool.
That's really cool. That's really cool, right?
About collaboration, right?
Yeah, we got to do it.
You're Facebook,
Everybody is Facebook.
The one thing that I found really great about the new contacts is that I can finally file as I can put the last names in the correct place.
Yes, exactly.
I used to have the problem if I add a contact here, it will always put the
last name first.
Last name first, yeah.
All backwards for Chinese people.
So that's the search context.
If it was all backwards, it wouldn't so much be a problem, but sometimes it's inconsistent. Sometimes the last name first,
Yeah,
the first
that's
name
right,
last, so it's all over the place. Yeah.
So that's one major thing.
I'd like to show you another cool tool. It's not Windows Mobile 6 specific, but it's more of a Windows Mobile app called Live Search. Have you guys heard of this?
Yes.
So it's only in 6, or I can have it in 5?
You can have it in 5.
Alright.
You can even run this on 2003. Here we go. Windows Live Search. It's basically a mapping search-based, location-based tool that you can use to find out things like restaurants, hotels, whatever you want, and it even does GPS navigation for you.
Alright.
Let me show you this tool. So you can type in any search you want up there. Let's say Pine Lake Park, where in Redmond, Washington. You can just do a search. You can type in whatever restaurants you want.
So anything available
Yeah.
for KL?
Yeah, it doesn't really
no,
work
it
for
doesn't.
KL. Yeah.
So right now it's only
It doesn't work, no need.
yeah, but
No,
it's just basic data, right?
Yeah,
the whole
so-
framework is there. It's just
I can see a
somebody needs
very
to program.
far satellite map of Kuala Lumpur. But
Yeah, you
get
can't go
anything.
right
Yeah.
and then for this feature, I need to go to the Washington, Redmond, and search there.
Yeah, no, you can do the whole of US or Europe, and that's
Yes.
and UK in Europe. That's as far as you
Yeah,
go.
but if I'm roaming, it will cost me a bomb to
Yeah,
do
exactly.
that. Also, I wanted to use it in Germany, but
Yeah, so you gotta get a local SIM card
Yeah.
to try that. So it does that, and you can do. Let's click on that, and it gives you more details of it. You can do directions to here, and you can do map.
Map? Alright,
So you
same.
do map, and then it
Yeah.
loads up. the
Is it
map.
what you call Earth, Windows Earth?
Yes, virtual Earth.
Virtual Earth, right.
And then you have these satellite images. Obviously, you can go to menu and then switch the view to road view.
Oh, cool.
And then you can also enable traffic.
Cool.
Right, so it shows you live traffic. Right?
Whoa.
So right now, only some places have traffic, right? So if you want, let's go back and let me show you something.
Can we have a more closer look? Is it
Yes,
possible?
can. Let me just show you here. It's like, I can go straight to map mode in Redmond, Washington.
All right.
Oh, hang on. Let me
So we can find.
let's go categories. Okay, categories.
All right.
Let's say restaurants. I want a buffet restaurants in Redmond, Washington. You bring the list. Let's say Old Country Buffet. Click
All
on
right.
that, and then let's say map. Okay. It shows you a map like that. You can obviously navigate around like this, right? And you can go to menu, and you can zoom out. Oh, you can actually zoom in. Let's say zoom out, right? And if you want to zoom in, you just press the action button.
Cool, okay.
You can press the action button. Let's say zoom in to this level, and then you just start loading all the cells again.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Oh, cool.
And then did I enable traffic? Let's see. There we go. And then you should see traffic information for this highway, I believe.
I hope there wouldn't be. It's doing a live search now, right?
Yeah. Hang on.
It's a night time there in the US.
Yes, it's night.
Maybe.
No, hang on. Is it night? What time is it?
Early evening, probably about 7ish, 8ish.
Yeah, 7, 8ish. So,
In Seattle.
okay. Menu, view, traffic. And then another good thing about this, see, the traffic information. Red means, green means okay, yellow means a little bit of traffic, and then red means congested. 7:30 and it's really bad traffic.
7:30 evening?
Oh yeah, one question. The Pocket PC team and the Windows Mobile team in general have merged together.
It's just one team.
It's just one team,
Yeah,
yeah.
Windows Mobile team.
Right.
Yeah. So again, I think we talked about this earlier. We are trying to synchronize the platform. When I go to the airport, well, in Malaysian airport, you have free Wi-Fi, so it defeats the purpose. Let's say if you go to Starbucks, also free Wi-Fi. You go to Taman Negara, let's say, okay, you sit down there and you want to work and you have no connectivity. You only have it on your phone. You just plug this to your PC using ActiveSync
cool.
and just hit internet sharing like that, and then say connect, and that's it. And immediately your Windows will recognize that you have an internet connection through your phone and you connect.
You know what? 2 days back, I was trying to look for the same thing. In my hotel room, I was trying to access the internet, and they said it's not available.
Correct.
I thought, I wish on a GPRS I have one. I said if I would connect it, it would be that much easier.
Exactly. Last time it was difficult to do it. Last time you had to go to some
Yeah,
app, configure serial
Yeah, yeah.
port and all that.
It
Now you
takes
just
time.
hit connect and you're good to go. So
So
it's beautiful.
it means there is auto discovery of network is running, and so
and it chooses the fastest
so
network.
it doesn't need to be Vista or XP.
Yes, Vista XP will work. Yeah.
Whatever.
Vista is even better, so it's non-intrusive. You just pop up, appears and then it's connected and you're good to go.
Cool.
So that's what I do every time I drive home. I just turn on, use my.
So can it work via a Bluetooth connection? And you
Yes,
just mentioned a
you can
cable.
do USB or Bluetooth pen.
So
Alright.
Yeah. But obviously Bluetooth you will suck the battery of the device,
Yeah.
so I always use ActiveSync because I'll be charging at the same time. Right. And this is very, very useful. I think one of the most important
So do you need to have AccuSync set up via Bluetooth first on the device?
Yes. So the first initial thing is, actually no, you don't even need to. As long as you plug in,
For internet, I guess.
yeah,
not.
you just turn on immediately. Your Windows will detected a new USB device, and then you just connect.
Oh, okay.
That's cool.
You don't need accessing. Yeah, I remember that. Then yeah.